Hey guys, so I got this new WaterH bottle. It's supposed to be really smart. So it's auto accurate tracking, has a 3C LED hydration reminder, smart scan safety sensor, and wireless charging. So let's check it out. That's it. So you have your wireless charger here, new Type-C cable, and of course you have the water bottle. It looks like you got the sensor at the bottom. So the setup was pretty easy getting started. I was able to charge it up with the wireless charger I showed you earlier and charge in no time. And I was able to go to the Google Play Store and download their app to pair the bottle. It was very easy to find, just under find WaterH, and they also give you the barcode here. We can just find it at the Google Play Store and scan it. After it was filled up, basically it took a reading of the TDS sensor that's in here, the total dissolved solid, and as you can see, it's showing excellent on mine. And remember, this is a tap water that I put in here, so it shows you the volume. It also shows you your goal is to drink a total of 98 ounces for me anyway, and 23 ounces so far. And I was able to connect this using, like I said, this app up here, and it shows you just looking for the bottle. It's just like connecting to Bluetooth basically. So it's very easy, user friendly.